Good day, everyone. Learn how to connect AirPods on Windows 11. So, to connect the AirPod, we need to search Bluetooth in the search bar, and then you will find Bluetooth and other device settings. Once you have find it, make sure the Bluetooth is turned on, and then we need to select Add Device. Now here you will find Bluetooth audio device. So since the AirPod is an audio device, we will select the first one. And now you just need to open your AirPod, and from the back side just press and hold and make sure the front light is blinking, and you will have the AirPod right here, and you just need to connect it. And that's it. This is how you can connect AirPod in Windows 11 laptop or a desktop. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.